Got several questions about our Bluetti Charger. These are the cables that attach to the back of our power station. Goes right into the port for the solar, and these are the cables that run directly to the battery. First, let me say update on this. We got this right before we headed to California from Florida. Now, last year we took a trip and we have to basically hook up to shore power every other day to keep everything kind of fully charged up. But with this, we went out there, we stayed out in LA area for over a week, and then took our time going out there, took our time coming back, made a lot of pit stops, and not once did we have to get a place to plug into shore power. So the Bluetti Charger is 100% worth the money, because it prevented us from having to pay money to hook up to shore power. So definitely a huge game changer for us. We don't have solar. We never got solar. We have a 136 Ram ProMaster. Limited space on top because we have an AC and a 12-volt fan. And the power station that we have is an All Powers R4000. In case of a true emergency, it can charge by an EV station, which we've never had to do it, but if we did, but the Bluetti, 100% game changer for us. So I, for one, would highly recommend it. That's number one on the update on that. But we've had questions about, like, how did we run it? To us, to keep it simple, we already have this cabinet in here. We have space underneath a couple inches because that cabinet has a couple of feet on it. So no, I did not run it through the well. I didn't run it behind the wall. Nothing like that. To keep it very simple, I literally, as you can see, it's right here. I hooked it up to the battery, kept the wires right here, put the lid back on as a cover, close it up, and just to keep it flush. I mean, there's enough flexibility in this hard plastic and the cords to, I just put duct tape on it to make it a complete, tight seal. And then I ran the cord right underneath the driver's seat, and then from the driver's seat I have a couple inches that goes right underneath my cabinet. So goes underneath my cabinet along the back wall, and then comes right up and hooks up into my charger. So it works for us. It's just, I was not gonna take out and move this stuff to install that. It was the simplest thing. I don't step on it because it's right there by the seat, and it works perfect. We've had no problems with it. A couple things I didn't say in the first video. If you have a Bluetti, when you go to the app, you just select which one you have. Otherwise, if you don't, make sure that you do read your instructions for the power station that you do have, because you want to make sure you know the amp input. I think ours was 20 amps, so that kind of converts to 560 watts, which is the max that you could get from the Bluetti Charger. So that's what we can get to charge ours. But it's pretty simple. I mean, once you hook it up, you could turn on the app to, adjust it when you need to. But now that it's hooked up, there's nothing I need to do, not even with the app. If the car's on, we're driving, we're running, I need to charge it up, we just flip this up, the light comes on, and it automatically starts charging the power station for me. but it's definitely 2 thumbs up from us. Everybody's different, everybody's needs are different, but definitely a game changer. So if you have any questions, definitely drop a comment in below. I only check it about once a month. I apologize, but I will reply. Other than that, thanks for watching.